lenses. So this is the Canon M6 Mark II. Here it is, the Canon M6 Mark II. Ooh. So this thing is an exchangeable mirrorless camera. So how the hell you get the lens out of this? Like how? First step is you have to locate the button to take out the lenses. So there's the button here. See that? That's the button. That is the button. So if you locate the how you take the lens out? Yeah, that's going to be a very personal question. Press it and then twist it. What the fuck? Here's the lens, as you can see right here. And here's the M6 without the lens. Here's a full-blown APS-C sensor. What the fuck? So how to put the lens back on? See this white dot over there? There's the white dot. Locate that to the white dots on lens shit. Here's it, the white dot, and then align the white dot on the camera body on the lens too, and then twist it. Hit a click, and if you were to make sure, let's turn the fucking camera on. Look at that.
So this message is only to show on the kit lens or the lens that have a little error around the barrel of the lens, because that is collapsible design lens, wherever the fuck you call it.
That's it for this video.